Hello, my dear friends. An ancient Japanese youth trick that removes wrinkles, fades dark spots, and tightens the skin, even at 70. Orange is the main ingredient in today's recipes. It's rich in vitamin C, natural acids, and antioxidants that brighten dull skin, smooth fine lines, and stimulate collagen production. Put 1 peeled orange into a blender. Blend until smooth. Subscribe for more natural beauty recipes. First recipe: 1 teaspoon of orange pulp, 1 teaspoon of rice flour gently exfoliates and brightens the skin tone. Benefit: this mask lightens pigmentation, smooths texture, and gives a natural glow. How to use: apply evenly to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm, then with cool water. Moisturize afterward. For the best results, use one recipe 2 to 3 times a week, and then move on to the next. Friends, write in the comments where you are watching from. Second recipe: 1 teaspoon of orange pulp, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch helps tighten the skin and smooth fine lines. This mask firms the skin, reduces wrinkles, and adds elasticity. How to use: apply evenly to clean skin on your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm, then with cool water. Apply moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Third recipe: 1 teaspoon of orange pulp, 1 teaspoon of milk nourishes and softens the skin. This mask hydrates, smooths, and gives the skin a fresh, luminous tone. How to use: apply evenly to your face and neck. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm, then with cool water. Moisturize afterward. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Subscribe for more natural beauty secrets. Fourth recipe: 1 teaspoon of orange pulp, ½ teaspoon of gelatin powder helps lift and tighten the skin. This mask boosts firmness, reduces sagging, and improves elasticity. How to use: apply a thin layer to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm, then with cool water. Apply moisturizer afterward. Use once or twice a week. Fifth recipe: 1 teaspoon of orange pulp, 1 teaspoon of almond oil, rich in vitamin E that nourishes and smooths. This mask deeply moisturizes, restores softness, and gives a natural radiance. How to use: Apply evenly to your face, neck and hands. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm, then with cool water. Moisturize afterward. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Sixth recipe: 1 teaspoon of orange pulp, 1 teaspoon of snail mucin gel, promotes regeneration and smooths wrinkles. Benefit: this mask rejuvenates, reduces dark spots, and improves overall skin texture. How to use: apply evenly to your face, neck and décolleté. Leave on for 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm, then with cool water. Apply a light moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. We'll be happy to receive a super thanks if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks for watching.